Hello everyone, welcome to Soumya Tutorials, Class BCA First Semester, NEP Syllabus, Introduction to C Programming. This is the session number 5, Chapter 2, Operators and Expressions. First, let me know about what is an operator. An operator, it is a symbol that performs an operation. In other words, an operator is a symbol that operates on a specific operation. Here, the operator acts as some variables or called as an operand to get the desired result. Here is an example: A plus B. A and B, these two are the operands, and plus it is an operator. So that an operator is a symbol that are doing some specific task. In this example, plus is an operator, it is doing the addition operation. So this is, we can call it as the definition of operator. Once again, I'll repeat the definition. An operator is a symbol that performs an operation. In other words, an operator is a symbol that are doing some specific task. So this is the types of operators. An operators can furthermore classified into the 9 different types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, we can also call it as a comparison operators. Third is an logical operator, assignment operator, unary operator, conditional operator, special operator, bitwise operator, shift operator. So these are all the different types of operator available in the C programming language. First, let me know about arithmetical operators. So an arithmetic operator, it performs some of the mathematical arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also modulus. So in this table, it represents some of the arithmetical operators and corresponding the description about these operators, which are plus as an addition operation, minus as an subtraction operation, star as an multiplication operation, slash is an division operation, and percentage symbol it is an the modulus. Then go to the next slide here, relational operators. We can also call it as the comparison operators. And relational operator, it checks the relationship between the two operands. If the relation is true, it returns the value 1. If the relation is false, it returns the value 0. So here, operators may be either it is variables or it is a constants or it is any other expressions. So in this table, it represents what are the relational operators and corresponding meaning and the examples of this relational operator, and it returns the value, the result, either it is a true or false. So first operator is the less than operator. So it is represented as the less than symbol. So the meaning is a less than. Here, example. So the operands which are 2 and 9. 2 less than 9. So it is true. 2 less than 9. This condition is become true so that it returns the value 1. Second operator is less than or equal to. Example is 2 less than or equal to. So this condition is become true. So both the operands, that is 2 and 2, these two are the equal, so that it returns the value 1. Greater than, the meaning is greater than. Example is 2 greater than 9. So first operand is less than the second operand, so that it returns the value 0 because this condition is become false. The fourth operator is greater than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. The example is that 3 greater than or equal to 2. So this condition is become true because the first operand is greater than or equal to the second operand, so that it returns the value 1 because this condition is become true. The next operator is double equal, is equal to. 2 is double equal to 3. Here the first operand is double equal to second operand. Here the 2 is double equal to 3. This condition is become false because 2 does not equal to the 3, so that it returns the value 0. The fourth operator is not equal, is not equal to. Example is 2 not equal to 2. So this is a false because 2 is equal to 2. So that this condition has become false. So that it returns the value 0. The next we move on to the next slide here. Logical operator. These logical operators are used to combine the results of two or more conditions. An expression it containing any logical operator, it returns either it is true or it is a false, or either it is 0 or it is a 1, depending upon whether the expression's results either it is a true or it is a false. Here, the logical operators are commonly used in the decision-making statements in our C programming. This table, it represents the logical operators, operators which are double ampersand, double pipeline symbol, and the complement operator. So meaning is that the first operator, double ampersand, it is represented as it is the logical AND. Example is 9 greater than 2 and 17 greater than 2. When both the conditions are true, the result will be true. Otherwise, the results are false because the logical AND it is on the logical multiplication. When both the operands are true, the result will be true. Otherwise, the results are false. Second operator is a pipeline symbol. The double pipeline symbol, the meaning is that the logical OR. The logical OR it is similar to like and the logical addition. Example is 9 greater than 2, pipeline symbol, 17 is double equal to 7. Here, the any one of the operand, any one of the expression is true, the result will be true. Here, 9 greater than 2, this condition is become true. And here, the 17 is double equal to 7, that condition is become false. In the logical OR operation, any one of the expression is true, the result will be true. So that it returns the value 1. The last operator is exclamatory mark, that is indicated as it is an logical NOT. 29 is not equal to 29. So this condition is become false because 29 equal to 29. So that this condition is become false. So that it returns the value 0. Next, we move on to the next slide. Here is that logical AND operation. Logical AND operation here, if any one of the condition is false, the complete condition is become false. When both the operands are true, the result will be true. This truth table, it represents the operations of the logical AND. The logical AND it is the logical multiplication. Operand 1, operand 2, and operand 1 and operator operand 2. This table represents that 0 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 1, that is also 0. 1 into 0, that is also 0. 1 into 1, this is become only the condition 1. So when the both operands are true, the result will be true. Otherwise, the results are false because the logical AND it is the logical multiplication. When the both operands are true, the result will be true. Otherwise, the results are false. So that if any one of the condition is false, the complete condition is become false in the logical AND operation. Here is the truth table. It represents the logical AND operation. Second is logical OR operation. Here, any one of the condition is true, the complete condition is become true. Here is a truth table. Operand 1, operand 2, and operand 1 pipeline symbol operand 2. In this, the conditions when both the operands are false, the result will be false. Otherwise, the results are true, because in the logical OR it is also called as the logical addition. Any one of the condition is become true, the result will be true. So that if the any one condition is true, the complete condition is become true. This truth table, it represents the logical OR, that is logical addition operation. The next is logical NOT. This operation is the reverse the value of the expression it operates on, that is, it makes sure that the true expression and false or vice versa. False expression is true. This truth table, it represents the logical NOT. Operand 1 is 0, the operand 1 complement is 1. The operand 1 is 1, the operand 1 complement it is 0. That means the input is false, the output is a true. The input is a true, the output is a false. That is an opposite state of an input state. It represents the logical NOT. This truth table, it represents the logical NOT. Then we move on to the next slide here. The next operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a value or an expression or any value of a variable to another variable. So assignment, which means that assigning or giving any value to the variable. Here is the syntax. The variable name, which is equal to either it is expression or it is a value or it is a variable. So in the example, there are the three examples here. The first example, x is equal to 10. Here is the variable is x, which is equal to 10. The 10 is a value which assigns to the variable x. In example 2, y is equal to a plus b. The a plus b is an expression. This expression is assigned to the variable y. Third example, z is equal to p. The p is a variable which is assigned to one more variable, that is z. The next, move on to the next slide here, compound assignment operator. C, it provides compound assignment operator. Assign a value to a variable in order to assign the new value to a variable after performing a specified operation. So this is also called as the shorthand assignment operator. Here the table, it represents the compound assignment operator. We can also call it as the shorthand assignment operator. So here is that plus equal. The example is that plus x plus equal y. It represents the meaning is that the x is equal to x plus y. Similarly, minus equal to. Example is x minus equal to y. The meaning of this expression is that x equal to x minus y. Similarly, these three operators, which are star equal, slash equal, and mod equal, these are all the some of the examples for this the compound assignment operator. We can also call it as shorthand assignment operator. Here is that some of the operators are assigned to a value to a variable in order to assign a new value to a variable after performing a specified operation. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification of the new videos. Thank you so much.